Alright, here we are at our 3-box break for 9-2 auctions for 2011 Prestige, Prime, and Timeless. Here's our list. Got an unpaid here. Robert Bird picked up the bills. And there we go. Our first box in the break will be Prime Signatures. Good luck, everyone. Everyone's now guaranteed at least one base card, so if you get no hits out of any of these breaks, or no rookies or inserts or anything, I will make sure that you get at least one card from your team. First up, we have Prime Signatures. Good luck, everyone. We have a Brian Cushing, $4.99 for the Texans. There goes to Steve G. Next card, we have a D Hall, 28/99, Prime Proof. And move this base to the front here. We have Arian Foster, $4.99, also for the Texans. The D Hall goes to Winkle, and our hit for this pack is a nice Roger Craig auto. That's a nice pull. 30/31. For the Niners, that goes to Clem. Very nice. Nice first hit for the 3-box break. We have another one ending tonight in auction or tomorrow night. Here we go. Timeless Treasures. We got one pack. There we go. All cards go out for Timeless and Prime. The base do not go out for the Prestige 11. But you are guaranteed at least one base if you don't get anything else. So that will probably come from there. But here we go. We have Percy Harvin, the first card for the Vikings. We have a Matt Ryan base. These are all numbered. I'll show the numbering after I show the front. We have a Deion Sanders for Atlanta. First hit is a nice Ryan Mallett rookie auto. That goes to Jeebers. Nice pull. Next hit is a Austin Pettis rookie jersey. That goes to Winkle. Last hit is a Eli Manning jersey. And that goes to Arena. That's numbered to 210. The Pettis numbered to 250. The Ryan Mallett is to 165. 99/165. The Deion, no number on these inserts for Timeless. Matt Ryan base, $4.99. Going to JPM, and the Percy Harvin base, 26/99. And that goes to Callie Brown. Alright. Here we go with the Prestige 2011. 4 hits, guaranteed, 24 packs. The base do not go out for this one. All the hits, rookies, and inserts do go out. We have 24 packs. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. I will go through the base relatively quick. You can notice the base here have the gray at the bottom. Anything that's not gray, I will flip over so you can see the numbering on it. First 3 are usually base. Last 3 are always base. We got a filler, Quentin Carter, approved rookie. We have Shane Vereen, rookie, and 3 base. We have Eddie Royal, Ray Rice, Greg Jennings, base. We have Jake Locker, rookie. This one's numbered 9/99 for the Titans. We have Derek Locke, rookie, and 3 base. Driver Stuart Adai, and our first hit is a Dwayne Bowe, Larry Fitzgerald, dual jersey. That goes to the Chiefs. We got Dwayne Bowe there on the left. That's numbered to 200. And that goes to 3/3 Bark. And we have a Roddy White insert and a Hankerson rookie, 3 base. Terrell Owens, Fitzgerald, Marino, and a filler. We have a Ballard rookie, numbered to 10. It's the black extra points, 3 of 10, very nice. It goes to Callie Brown. We have a Christian Ponder rookie, and 3 base. Oh, look at that. Very nice hit. Percy Harvin, black extra points auto. That is very nice. And that's also Minnesota. What is that number 2? 10 of 10. That is a sweet hit right there. Congrats to Callie. Very nice. We got a filler, Roddy White insert, Randall Cobb rookie. Very nice Percy Harvin. Wow. Haven't seen one of those. We got a Benjamin Watson, Preston Bailey filler. We have a McNabb and Moss insert. We have a Akeem Ayers rookie and base. CJ Spiller. And we have a nice Herslick green extra points rookie. That's 3 of 25. Very nice. We have a filler. We have a Romo Prestigious Pros. The reds are not numbered. I'll show you the first one if you haven't seen those. We have a Todman rookie, and we have base. Todd Heath. Chad Johnson Castle. Filler. We have a McNabb insert. Jamie Harper rookie, and 3 base. There we go. Romo, Flacco, Matthews, and a filler. We have a quad, Dwayne Bowe, Jennings, Foster, Green Ellis. That will go to majority owner of the Texans, Packers, Patriots, or Chiefs, or that will go to the Chiefs if there is no majority owner. We also have a Tolliver rookie for the Lions, and 3 base. There we go. 2 base. We have another filler, Prestigious Pros, Donald Driver, Greg Little rookie, and base. Another filler. We have a Curtis Brown rookie, number to 999 for the Steelers, and a Ballard rookie base. Tribute. If there's not one for it, you got to create one. Because it's a new break. Number 1's full. You got to create number 2 the same way. Just put number 2. Greg Jones rookie, 999 for the Giants. Ryan Williams rookie, and base. There we go. Looks like we have a hit here. Another nice card. Jeremy Maclin patch with 2 breaks there. Pretty nice patch there for the Eagles. That goes to Steve G. No number on that. Marcel Darius, variation rookie. J.J. Watt rookie, and 3 base. Just save as, and make sure you save it in that folder. Alright, just keep it moving. Ryan Grant, Hester, Gerard, and another filler. Blair White, rookie review for the Colts. Nice Cam Newton, rookie, and 3 base. Cribs, Lofton, Pettigrew, and another filler. Have a Von Miller, red extra points rookie. That's numbered 17 of 100. Have a Luke Stocker rookie and base. Kevin Walker Peters, Peppers, Flowers, and a filler. Terrence Tolliver, extra points, $9.99 rookie. For the Lions, we have a Havali rookie and 3D base. There. And we have a J.J. Watt rookie auto. Very nice for the Texans. It's numbered to $6.99. Nice pull. We have Felix Jones, Stars, insert, and a Kaepernick rookie base. Very nice box so far. I got a patch, J.J. Watt rookie auto, nice 10 of 10 auto base, and another hit, a C.J. Spiller jersey for the Bills. That goes to Robert. No number on the rookie reviews. We got a Vernon Davis Stars, Dion Lewis rookie, and base. Filler. And we have a Barrett Rudd gold extra points. That's the 250. For the Bucks, we have a Peterson rookie and base. 5 packs we got. We have a Lewis, Masqua, Snelling, filler, Jay Cutler, Greg Olson, dual insert, Phil Taylor rookie, and base. Filler, a red extra point, or red prestigious pros, C.J. Spiller, and a Alden Smith rookie, and base. Johnny Knox, Mike Thomas, Dez Bryant, filler, Greg Salas, rookie for the Rams, $9.99. Noah Devon rookie, and base. Filler, red prestigious pros, Jeremy Macklin, and a rookie of Titus Young. Base. Last pack of the 3-box break. Tim Tebow got a killer, and a Brandon Harris rookie, numbered to $9.99 for the Texans, and a Greg Salas rookie, and base. Alright, well that's going to do it for our first 3-box break on 9-2 auction. Appreciate you guys.